It is Motivational Minutes, and today's topic is about self-progress. How do I progress? I feel like I'm in the same funk, the same cycle over and over and over again. Okay, so don't get overwhelmed by trying to seek perfection early on. What I want you to do is I want you to go in and just start identifying maybe negatives that are in your life. Focus on day by day, just making a little bit different of a choice. Maybe it is right now that you're drinking soda on a regular basis. Slowly but surely, drop down to maybe 2 a day, then 1 a day, and eventually eliminating soda and adding something like water. Maybe it's something to do with fitness, okay? And you're just not active. I want you to start today and go out for a walk. Maybe it's only a half mile or a mile, and then slowly but surely start tracking it. Slowly but surely get up to 2 miles, and then 3 miles. When you start building all those things together, those little choices and little changes that you make end up creating big results later. All right, guys, have a beautiful day.